All the efforts that we put into an IVF cycle are directed towards that one specific goal, which is the magical implantation or the sticking of the embryo inside the uterus. Just as the soil is important for the seed to grow into a plant, endometrium or the inner lining of the uterus and the intrauterine environment is crucial for implantation and the further growth into the baby. If 100 women fail IVF, recent data shows that 25% of them do so because of uterine problems. In a normal scenario, we resort generally to transvaginal ultrasound-based tests to evaluate the uterus before embryo transfer. But did you know that the sensitivity of ultrasound is only 79% to detect problems? It can detect obvious problems like fibroids, polyps or adenomyosis, but it may miss certain problems like septum or a wall inside the uterus and adhesions inside the uterus. Hysteroscopy or looking inside the uterus with the help of a camera is a 100% reliable method not only to diagnose these problems but also to correct them at the same time. It is a minor procedure, 15 to 20 minutes long, where you need to be admitted in the clinic just for 4 to 5 hours. It is done under short general anesthesia, so it is painless and it doesn't involve any stitches or cuts. Also, at the same time, we are able to send the endometrial lining for sampling to check under the microscope to look for overgrowth or infection which cannot be seen by the naked eye. IVF is very challenging, emotionally, physically, mentally and financially also. So it seems only fair that a hysteroscopy be done prior to the embryo transfer to evaluate and to optimize the uterine environment, thereby maximizing the chances of an IVF success.